Yow! Got some catnip here. I'm going to load it into the hopper with some PLA, mix it all together, see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. I have the test one here. No catnip mixed in with that one. I'm going to isolate them in these containers and then present them to the cats and see what happens. Here's some catnip. I filtered it out. Now I'm going to mix in some PLA pellets and stir it all together, then put it in the hopper. I've mixed the catnip with the PLA pellets, and it's like a fine dust on the pellets. I'm going to pour it down into here and then print with it. The stuff is loaded. I lost a few flakes on the way down into the hopper here. Got my fan going because my cooling fans on the head don't work. And then I'm heating up to 220. I'm going to go at 70% speed so the extruder doesn't jam up, and we'll see what happens. We're about 12 minutes into this print, and it's actually working. I'm amazed it's working. You can see all the particles of catnip infused and embedded in the PLA. For once, this is actually my friend's crazy idea, not mine, and decided to give it a go. I'm using a 2mm nozzle on the Mahor pellet extruder head, and tell you what, if you're watching this and you have any crazy ideas like this, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Maybe I'll give them a shot. This turned out better than I expected, I'll be honest. I thought I was going to get a clogged extruder if I had just one piece of large catnip stuck in there. It would have been game over, but it printed. You know, the bottom's flat where it was resting on the plate just like the other one. You don't smell anything? Usually you have a... Oh, wait. Hold on. Smell something there. Huh? Try it more. I'm going to leave these near their food and see if anything happens. Maybe they'll sniff them or push them or whatever. I don't know. Here's the test. These haven't moved in 2 days. This is filled with catnip here, this ping pong ball, and there's holes in it. And we'll see. I'll leave it here for a couple more hours, and I think the cats are going to swat this but not touch these. So we'll see. Meanwhile, I put this ping pong ball here and put catnip in it with holes in it, and man, my cat's going crazy right away. So it seems like the catnip in the PLA doesn't really work. Is it possible to 3D print with catnip and PLA? Yes. Do cats like it? No, not really. Meanwhile, the cats went crazy for this. I put catnip in a big hole and then put tape over it and poked these little holes in it. And they were on this thing in like 10 minutes, maybe less. This thing, they just ignored. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and maybe learned a thing or two, and if you have any other crazy ideas for 3D printing, put them in the comments below.